Another topic related to the pre-trial proceedings. We didn't have a pre-trial proceeding during the Corona trial, but meron po tayong pre-trial proceeding during the Estrada trial, and news archives suggest or indicate that during the pre-trial proceedings, the prosecution and the defense agreed to finishing the entire trial or the trial proper within or by 34 days. It is a separate discussion if nasunod po siya, but is that something that the prosecution is eyeing to resolve during the pre-trial proceedings kung gaano lang tatagal yung buong trial proper?
Part of the things to be talked about during pre-trial conference is the schedule of trial dates, no? And that includes, of course, the number of schedule that we will be needing for the purpose of presenting the prosecution's evidence. Same is true with respect to the defense. Tatanungin din sila, ilang trial dates ang kailangan nila to conclude the presentation of their evidence. So to your question, yes, the number of trial dates will be determined as well during the pre-trial conference.
Congresswoman Jinky, ballpark figure lang sa bahagi ng prosecution, ilang buwan kaya to, at least minimum, 1 buwan, 2 buwan, 3 buwan?
Ang aking estimate is if we will be starting on July 6, we will perhaps end by end of September 2026.